would like to welcome you to the 125th National Convention of the Veterans of Foreign Wars here in Louisville, Kentucky.
Now let's have a great convention.
The Guy Fieri Foundation and I are honored to accept the Commander-in-Chief Gold Medal of Merit.
And again, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.
And may God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you for this wonderful award.
No one does more for vets than you. Veterans have no better advocate than you.
The VFW is relevant. The VFW is the last line of defense when it comes to veterans.
I declare Al, the real deal Liphart, Commander-in-Chief of the Veterans of Foreign Wars of the United States for the 2024-2025 year.
I am proud to lead you. Follow me. Be the best you can be at all times and in all things. God bless the Veterans of Foreign Wars and an Auxiliary, and God bless the United States of America.